In this video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule emails based on your recipient's time zone in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over and then locate the email that you want to send out. For this case, let's edit right here this email. Click on this email option or the edit option in order to edit it. Once this is opened, you should be able to see in here this. So in order to actually schedule it, you need to locate the option for scheduling. This is typically the clock icon on your left sidebar, which is called schedule. Click on this and click on the schedule for later. And then for this case, let's just rate here recipient's time zone. Now let's just rate here the date and the time. I'll just rate here around 8 a.m. of January 21 based on recipient's time zone. After that, click on the list review and schedule. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use the affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.